大家好. In this video, you will learn at least 40 Chinese vocabularies about daily routines. When discussing daily routines, we encounter words like alarm clock, turn on the light, dress up, and make the bed, etc. Learning these vocabulary words not only help us communicate effectively but also enriches our understanding of daily life. 拉上窗帘，把窗帘拉开 draw the curtains. 盖好被子，盖好被子 to tuck in. 打瞌睡，打瞌睡 to doze off. 定闹钟，设定闹钟 to set the alarm. 调整闹钟，调整闹钟 adjusting the alarm. 按贪睡按键，按贪睡按键 hit the snooze button. 闹钟响了，闹钟响了 the alarm goes off. 关掉闹钟，关掉闹钟 to turn off the alarm. 关灯，关灯 to turn off the light. 一夜无眠，不眠之夜 to have a sleepless night. 辗转反侧，翻来覆去 to toss and turn. 睁开眼睛，睁开眼睛 open one's eyes. 起床，起床 to get up. 打哈欠，打哈欠 to yawn. 伸懒腰，伸懒腰 to stretch. 整理床铺，整理床铺 to make one's bed. 叫醒，叫醒 to wake someone up. 睡过头，睡过头 to oversleep. 水压不足，低水压 the water pressure is weak. 挤护手乳液，挤护手乳液 to squeeze hand lotion. 起泡沫，起泡沫 to lather. 按摩头皮，按摩头皮 to massage one's scalp. 揉脸，揉脸 to rub one's face. 用棉片擦拭，用棉片擦拭 to wipe off with a cotton pad. 打开水龙头，打开水龙头 to turn on the tap. 用水冲洗，用水冲洗 to rinse with water. 张开嘴，张开嘴 to open one's mouth. 将杯子装满水，将杯子装满水 to fill cup with water. 漱口，漱口 to gargle. 使用剃须刀，使用剃须刀 to use a shaver. 挑选衣服，挑选衣服 to pick clothes. 按摩，按摩 massage. 用毛巾擦身子，用毛巾擦身子 to wipe body with a towel. 挠痒，挠痒 to tickle. 挠头，挠头 scratch one's head. 冲水，冲水 to flush. 做脸部按摩，做脸部按摩 do face massage. 化妆，化妆 to put or apply makeup. 卸妆，卸妆 to remove makeup. 挠后背，挠后背 scratch the back. 希望你们喜欢今天的视频，